To replace the toner drum, power the machine off by holding down the shutdown restart button until turn off power appears on the display screen. Then, press the power switch located on the left side to the off position. Next, open the lid from the center and remove the toner and drum locked together by lifting straight up and place onto a flat surface. Unlock the toner cartridge from the drum by turning the blue locking lever to the left. Gently lift the toner cartridge from the used drum. Insert the toner cartridge onto the replacement drum and turn the blue locking lever to the right to lock the toner into place. Lift the toner and drum and gently set them back into the printer as seen here. Then close the lid from the center and power the machine back on.